Think you need a groundbreaking idea to create a successful startup? Think again. The path to startup success is paved with much more than just innovative concepts. It's about execution, perseverance, and a whole lot of grit. Let's dive into the key strategies that can propel your startup to the top. First and foremost, embrace innovation in every aspect of your business. It's not just about your product or service. It's about how you approach problems, engage with customers, and run your operations. Companies like Airbnb and Uber didn't invent hospitality or transportation. They reimagined how these services could be delivered. But innovation alone isn't enough. You need to be prepared for the long haul. Building a successful startup is a marathon, not a sprint. Take Amazon, for example. It took years before they turned a profit, but Jeff Bezos' unwavering commitment to his vision paid off big time. Adaptability is your secret weapon. The business landscape is constantly changing, and your ability to pivot and evolve is crucial. Remember Slack? It started as a gaming company before transforming into the communication powerhouse we know today. Networking isn't just a buzzword, it's a lifeline for startups. Surround yourself with mentors, partners, and team members who challenge and support you. Your network can provide invaluable advice, open doors to opportunities, and even become your first customers. Now, let's talk about failure. It's not the enemy, it's your teacher. Every setback is a lesson in disguise. Look at how many times Elon Musk's SpaceX rockets failed before they successfully landed. Each failure brought them closer to success. One of the biggest challenges you'll face is maintaining focus. It's easy to get distracted by new ideas or opportunities, but as Steve Jobs said, people think focus means saying yes to the thing you've got to focus on. It means saying no to the 100 other good ideas. Here's a practical tip. Start each day by identifying your most important task, the one thing that will move your startup forward. Focus on completing that before anything else. This simple habit can dramatically increase your productivity and keep you aligned with your goals. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's built day by day, decision by decision. So here's your call to action. Take one step today towards your startup dream. Whether it's refining your business plan, reaching out to a potential mentor, or working on your prototype, just start. As you embark on this journey, keep this question in mind. What problem are you truly passionate about solving? Let that drive you forward. Because at the end of the day, the startups that reach the top are the ones that persevere, adapt, and never lose sight of their mission. Your startup success story starts now. Are you ready to write it?